following program contains strong language that may be sensitive to viewers. Viewer discretion is advised.
They say, if you want to tell a story right, you gotta start at the beginning. Too far? Fine.
Let's go!
The pups build a beaver home.
Wait.